Hi, this is Ultra Secure Direct, and this short video is showing the wireless SB1 panic alarm system. The system is ideal for helping to protect staff in the event of security or medical emergencies in many applications, including interview rooms, lone working situations, retail operations or reception areas. The battery powered wireless panic button can be mounted on or under a desk or wall mounted using double-sided tape supplied, or you could use screws, and has an operating distance back to the receiver of 300 meters line of sight, but this can be greatly increased by over 900 meters by using this signal repeater. The battery powered wireless panic button can be mounted on or under a desk or wall mounted using the double-sided tape supplied, or you can use small screws if preferred. It has an operating distance back to the receiver of 300 meters line of sight, but this can be greatly increased by over 900 meters by using this signal repeater. In the event of the wireless panic button being activated, the receiver will activate the 3-tone siren cum buzzer. This is connected by a short length of cable that can easily be extended. The duration of the siren can be preset from 10 seconds to 5 minutes, or until the receiver is turned off with this switch. Additional wireless panic buttons can be added up to 128 over 4 channels to the system, allowing you to protect multiple rooms. The 4-channel receiver is powered by a plug-in transformer and will identify each of the 4 channels with LEDs Up to 32 panic buttons can be programmed into each channel. Ideal for use in many business applications for security or medical situations. Should you have any further questions, please contact Ultra Secure Direct by telephone 01604 589 414 or email info@ultrasecuredirect.com.